Have you ever thought that water could be the key to unlocking the life you've always dreamed of? Water is everywhere, essential for life, yet most people overlook its deeper significance. What if I told you that water isn't just something you drink, but a spiritual and energetic tool that can help you manifest abundance, love, and growth in your life? Sounds unbelievable, right? But the truth is, ancient texts, including the Bible, have been pointing to this all along. Water holds a key to creation, and today we're going to uncover how you can use it to create the life you've always wanted. By the end of this video, you'll understand the science, the spirituality, and the practical steps to use water as a manifestation tool. Welcome back to Power of Thought. If you're new here, welcome to the community where we explore deep spiritual truths, manifestation techniques, and the power of your mind. I'm thrilled to have you here today because this is one of the most profound insights I've ever shared: how water plays a crucial role in shaping your reality. Water is not only vital for our physical survival, but it's also a conduit for our thoughts, emotions, and intentions. In today's video, we're going to unravel this hidden power of water from both a spiritual and scientific perspective. By the time we're done, you'll have practical steps you can take to start using water as a tool for manifesting your dreams. So, are you ready to learn this ancient secret? Let's dive in. First, let's go back to one of the oldest and most well-known spiritual texts, the Bible. Genesis 1-2 tells us, "The Spirit of God was moving over the waters." The creation story starts with the image of God moving over the waters before the formation of the world. But here's the intriguing part: the Bible doesn't mention when water itself was created. It simply implies that water was already there, as if it was an essential foundation upon which the rest of creation would unfold. This speaks volumes about the spiritual significance of water. Water existed before God even created light, land, or life. It's as if the very essence of creation, whether it's the earth or your personal dreams, must first begin with water. In spiritual terms, water symbolizes the potential for life, creativity, and manifestation. But why is water so special? To answer that, we need to explore how the Bible compares water to the sacred teachings found in the Torah. The Torah, the holy book of the Jews, is often compared to water. This analogy provides us with several key insights. Just like water flows from high places to low places, the teachings of the Torah, or spiritual wisdom in general, reach those who are humble. Jesus echoed this truth when he said, "Thank you, Father, for hiding these things from the wise and learned and revealing them to little children." Matthew 11:25. What does this mean? To truly understand spiritual teachings, one must be humble and open, much like how water seeks the lowest point. If we approach life with a childlike sense of curiosity and openness, like water, we become vessels capable of absorbing and embodying spiritual truths. There's another reason water is likened to the Torah. It adapts to the shape of whatever container holds it. In the same way, spiritual teachings like those in the Bible or the Torah adapt to the individual receiving them. If you are a person filled with love and faith, you'll read the Bible and absorb its teachings of love and abundance. But if you approach it with skepticism, it will reflect that skepticism back to you, just as water reflects the nature of its container. This means that water, like spiritual wisdom, is malleable. It takes on the form of your internal beliefs, mindset, and intentions. So the question becomes, what is the shape of your mind and soul, and what energy is the water in your body taking on? Now, let's look at the science. In the early 2000s, Dr. Masaru Emoto, a Japanese researcher, conducted groundbreaking studies that demonstrated how water reacts to vibrations. His experiments showed that when water was exposed to different words, sounds, and intentions, the molecular structure of the water changed dramatically. For example, when water was blessed with positive words like love and gratitude, the water molecules formed beautiful, symmetrical crystals under a microscope. But when exposed to negative words like hate or anger, the water molecules became distorted and chaotic. But it gets even more fascinating. In 2006, Emoto's experiments reached new heights when a group of 2,000 students in Tokyo sent their positive intentions to water samples located thousands of miles away in California. These water samples were placed in a Faraday cage, a special room that blocks out any electromagnetic interference, ensuring that no outside energy could influence the results. The results? The water molecules in California, influenced by the students' distant intentions, formed more harmonious and aesthetically pleasing structures. This was compared to a control group of water samples that had no intentions directed at them, which remained unchanged. What does this mean for us? It proves that water can store and transmit vibrations, even from afar. Since our bodies are composed of roughly 70% water, this research suggests that our thoughts, emotions, and intentions can influence the molecular structure of the water inside us. And just like the water molecules in Emoto's study, our internal water can either harmonize or distort, depending on the energy we project into it. Now, let's bring this all together. In the creation story of Genesis, we see a clear pattern. God's creative force moves over the water. This mirrors how your soul, your own creative power, moves over the water in your body. Just as God separated light from darkness, you have the ability to separate positive energy from negative energy in your life through the intentions you set. The water in your body acts as a conduit for your thoughts and emotions, and it sends that energy out into the world. When you fill yourself with love, gratitude, and positivity, the water inside you harmonizes and reflects that energy out into the universe, attracting more of the same back into your life. This is the law of attraction at its most fundamental level, using water as the medium through which you project and attract vibrations. But the opposite is also true. If you allow negative energy, fear, anger, or doubt to take root in your mind, the water in your body distorts, and you start attracting negative experiences into your life. This is why it's so important to be mindful of the energy you expose yourself to. Whether it's the media you consume, the people you interact with, or even the thoughts you think, all of these vibrations are affecting the water inside you, and by extension, your reality. Now that we understand the connection between water, vibration, and manifestation, how can we use this knowledge practically? Here are a few actionable steps. 1. Bless your water. Before drinking water, hold the glass in your hands and speak positive affirmations or prayers over it. Say words like, I am abundant, I am loved, or I am healthy. Remember, your words and intentions are being absorbed into the water, and as you drink it, those vibrations are entering your body. 2. Charge water with sunlight. You can take this practice further by placing your water in a glass bottle and letting it sit in sunlight for a few hours. Sunlight is a powerful source of energy and can amplify the positive intentions you've set. 3. Surround yourself with positive energy. Be conscious of the people, media, and environments you surround yourself with. Just as water reacts to vibrations, so do you. Spend time with uplifting people, listen to empowering music, and engage in activities that make you feel good. This will raise your vibration and align the water in your body with positive energy. 4. Visualize while drinking water. When you take a sip, visualize your dreams coming to life. Imagine the water entering your body, harmonizing your energy, and helping to create the future you desire. This simple practice can strengthen your intention and speed up the manifestation process. So what's next? Here's your challenge. For the next 7 days, practice these water manifestation techniques. Bless your water, visualize your goals while drinking it, and be mindful of the energy you are exposing yourself to. Track any changes you notice in your thoughts, emotions, and circumstances. If this message resonated with you, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts and how you're planning to use water to manifest your dreams. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could benefit from this knowledge. And if you want to dive even deeper into spiritual and manifestation techniques, don't forget to subscribe to Power of Thought and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, you already have everything you need to create the life you deserve. Stay hydrated, stay mindful, and keep creating your reality. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for joining me today on Power of Thought. Until next time, remember, your thoughts, like water, shape the world around you. Use them wisely and watch your life transform.